It's 2021 and the crypto bubble is exploding. You see all these people online making huge gains with
here in my garage.
But you don't want to invest your own money into crypto trading, so now you have this
FOMO.
This will be a 5-part mini-series showing you how to make money online with crypto without investing any of your own money. All you need to invest is a little bit of hustle. There's really so many ways to earn crypto, so I wanted to create this mini-series so people that have various skills can go over to that part that they like. Like, for example, you have writing skills, you're gonna wanna check out this part because today I will actually talk about how to earn crypto with writing. Or if you're an artist, you're gonna wanna check out part 5, which is going to be about NFTs and selling art online and making crypto. First, I wanna show you my writing journey. So I started writing on Medium maybe a few years ago. And on Medium, especially from third world countries, you can't even apply for a partnership. So I was just writing for my own sake of writing, trying to improve that skill. If we go over here to my stats, as you can see, I actually have 2 stories that got a few thousand reads, and that's actually amazing, but I didn't earn any money off this. You can earn money on Medium depending on where you're from, so that might be a good way to make some money writing, but you can't earn crypto with it. If you want to earn crypto, you need sites like Leo Finance, Hive, Steemit. So I did a little experiment so you guys don't have to. I posted a few articles and videos on Steemit, and as you can see here, 3 years ago, so I've been in this for a while, but never really got deep into it. I always kind of just tested things out, and as you can see, it's all $0 revenue here on Steemit for all these articles and videos. But if we go over here to Leo Finance, where what I've done is I went to Medium, I copied and pasted the article I've already written and just put it onto Leo Finance, where you can earn coins for writing your articles. And here you go, my first article got me a whopping $5. It might not seem like a lot, but it's definitely a proof of concept that shows that you can earn money writing articles for sure. It's just these 2 articles that I wrote on Leo Finance, and both of them are starting to earn money for me. Every few days the payout occurs. As you can see, these $5 I will get in exactly 2 days, which is when my payout will occur, and the payout will be in Leo coin, with so 8.5 Leo coins is $5 US. Now, Leo Finance is part of the Hive ecosystem, which kind of works similar to the Steemit ecosystem, where they just made a hard fork of the Steemit ecosystem and kind of created their own, which is now the Hive ecosystem, but it works much better. I much better like the Hive ecosystem now. And if you go over to hive.io, here is their whole ecosystem. Let's dive in and see what they have to offer. For example, they have the Hive blog, which is kind of similar to Leo Finance, where you write articles and earn money. And as you can see, this guy here got $122 off of writing this article. So there's definitely money to be made here, and all the money you're making is in crypto, which is even better. And another cool thing is you can even earn money by writing comments on other people's posts. So the way you earn money on Hive, and generally on Steemit and Leo Finance and any of those decentralized blockchain writing apps, or even video apps, work the same way. So alternatives to YouTube work the same way. But basically, as you can see, different votes or likes have different monetary value. For example, this Leo voter voted and I got $5 from him, and this guy voted and I got 0.03 bucks from him. That's because different voters have different voting power. You're gonna want to write articles where people usually have higher voting power, and you get voting power by holding more coins, pretty much. So same goes for comments. If I write a comment on someone's post and he, for example, has high voting power, he can vote on my comment and I get money for that. I get paid for writing that comment, which is the way it should be. That's how everything is supposed to work. So if you're a writer, this is definitely a very good way to start earning some crypto and then maybe reinvesting it into other altcoins and stuff. And I will definitely have more videos explaining how to do that. Once you have made a nice sum, you can definitely keep making more as you continue doing other things, but it doesn't have to end on writing. It doesn't matter how you enter the crypto space. What matters is that you're here and that you make the most out of it, that you make the most money you can. We're still super early in crypto adoption, super early. So the fact that you're watching this video means that you're early as well, and you're in for a wild ride. Try to ride it out as much as you can, because in 5 years you're gonna be thankful that you did. Thank you for watching part 1. on how to earn money in crypto in 2021, check out part 2 for more.